Hello students, welcome back to English class. In the previous class, we were discussing about the classical elements. Actually, classical elements are 5, but in this lesson, we are discussing about the 4 classical elements that are earth, water, sky and air. And we were discussing a play, right? And in the last class, I told you just find out the causes of climatic changes. Which all are the causes of this climatic change? Mainly global warming, deforestation, etc. are some of the main causes of climatic change, isn't it? Okay, so shall we continue? Get ready, take your English textbook, page number 46. Air. By the way, have you heard of climatic change? Sky. Air, wait a minute. I have heard of it, but can't remember what it is exactly. And Sky was saying that I heard what's this climatic change, but I don't know more about it. I don't know much about that. Then air, well, this means that the average temperature of the earth is increasing year by year, and this warming of our planet is causing extreme climate change in different parts of the world. And the air was explaining what is this climatic change. This means the average temperature of the earth is increasing year by year. All of you just touch your neck. We are having a constant temperature, right? If the temperature increases, that means we are having fever, right? Likewise, the earth also having a constant temperature, a particular temperature. And when this temperature increases, it will cause as global warming. And year by year, this temperature, the temperature of earth is increasing. How this temperature is increasing? By burning all this fuel, gases will go to the sky and the temperature of the earth will increase. Thus, year by year, the temperature of the earth increases and planet is causing extreme climate change. And thus, climatic change happens in different parts of the world. And this is one of the main cause of climate change. And this will affect in the different parts of the world as climatic change. That means when it's rainy season, we don't get excess rain. Likewise, then sky. That explains why people keep looking up at me and grumbling about the weather. As if it is my fault that it rains whenever and wherever it isn't supposed to. It's their fault. And all the human beings are complaining each other. Oh my God, climatic change. All are complaining each other. Actually, the human beings are the reason for this. Actually, they are causing many difficulties. They are causing many problems to the nature and to the earth. And they are complaining each other. Actually, the climate change, it's their fault. But they are not understanding that. Then sky. Did you notice the blackout the other night? All the buildings had switched off their lights. Have you heard that word, blackout? B-L-A-C-K-O-U-T, blackout. Blackout means a period when there is no light. And earth. Yes, people were observing earth hour. People all over the world have decided to switch off their lights at the same time once every year. It is being done to save electricity. Yearly once, we switch off all the lights in our house and we do conduct that blackout day. I hope all of you know that. Okay. Then, water. Well, that's good news, but people can stop wastage of water first. Then, the water was saying that, yes, that's a good idea. Actually, they are saving electricity at least that one day. And water was saying that. And human beings also should stop wasting water. Have you noticed how people brush their teeth? There they are brushing away and all the while the tap is left running and I am gushing out for no reason. Note down the word gushing. Then while we are brushing our teeth, we on the pipe, we on the tap and we use it to brush our teeth and we don't mind that tap. Actually water was flowing there, but we don't pay more attention. At least we should close that tap and just brush our teeth. And don't waste that water. Water is very precious. So water was saying that at least these human beings don't waste water. And while brushing our teeth, just close the tap and brush the teeth. Don't waste water. It's very precious. Then air. If only people living in the same area or attending the same school or working at the same place would form a carpool. I am tired of smoke from the cars choking me. Carpool. Have you heard that word? Carpool. Carpool means a group of people who agree to travel together in one car to common destination instead of each one talking his or her own car. That means if in an area there are two houses, just imagine the situation, okay? In that area, two houses are there, and in that home there are two kids. Both of them are studying in same school, and they can go in a same car. At least people can travel in one car by just sharing money or like that. That is called this carpool. People can agree to travel together. If they are traveling to one place or one destination, they can agree to travel together. They can use only one car for that. And what is this present situation? Yes, everyone was using their own cars and they used it to travel alone in that car. Then the AI was saying that people can try this carpool technique. Thus we can avoid this air pollution or sound pollution. Like we can see in that traffics that sound horning is a process, right? And we can avoid that sound pollution, air pollution, everything. So carpool is a good technique that when human beings do follow that, that's a good idea. Then sky. If only people would plant more trees would help me produce more rain. Then sky was saying that if people plant more trees, I can produce more rain, I can provide fresh air too. So we should plant more trees. Earth. I wish that people would stop using plastic bags. I remember the good old days when people took baskets or cloth bags to the market. There were no annoying plastic bags to clog my soil. Note down the word annoying. Annoying means making you angry. And clog means to block. And here Earth was saying that all people, they can use this paper bags, cardboards or basket instead of these plastic bags. And after the use, all the people threw away these plastic bags to the soil. And the soil will clog. Clog means it will block all the way. As we all know that plastic don't dissolve in the soil. And that blocks the soil's flow. And that's a great problem. I also wish that people would remember to turn off lights and fan when they leave a room to save energy. And the Earth was saying that at least when people leave that room, they should switch off the light and fan after their use. Thus we can save electricity. And sky. How I wish people would treat this planet with love and respect. After all, it's the only one they have got. Sky was also saying that people should love, care this planet because this is the planet of human beings. They should care, love this planet. So this lesson conveys us do not waste electricity. So after the use of light, fan, everything, we should remember to switch off the light and fan. And don't waste water while we are brushing. Make sure the tap is off. Save water. It's very precious. And try to travel together. Thus we can decrease the pollution, that is sound pollution and this air pollution. Save our earth, save nature and also plant more trees. Thus there will be no any much climatic changes, and also use paper bags instead of plastic. So that's all for today. Thank you.